What is up, everybody? Thank you for coming and checking out another video. Today we're here with this Polaris 1000 General, and we are going to do an oil change. I'm going to show you this step by step so you can do it yourself. Comment below. This algorithm's killing me. Like, share, subscribe, hit play all on my videos, mute it, put it in the background, help me out. Anyways, let's just get into it. Step one, you're going to need to get underneath the vehicle. Lift up the tailgate by pulling up on this handle, which releases the latches on here, so you can get to the oil fill cap over there. And when you're under the engine, there is a drain plug right there. So pretty much from this frame, it's the one closest to where the skid plate here is. Anyways, we want to do an inspection. So I'm going to pull this cover off. It's always good to do an inspection every once in a while. Make sure that nothing's broken, nothing's leaking crazy. So it just takes 10mm bolt here, 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 here. And that is it. And this back skid plate will come off, and you can see the transmission, you can see the engine, and you can see the diff. As we can see here, it looks like something has been leaking, but it is so nasty, and I can't tell how much of this is dirt, how much of it is oil. It could be this rear seal here. It's probably this seal right here, the output shaft seal. It's hard to see. It's probably that guy leaking and spitting it out, but until we power wash this and try it later, we won't know. So let's just get to this drain plug, drain it into our pan. Use a 6mm Allen. You put it, seat it all the way down in the drain plug, and then righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Pull this out, drain it into a pan. This is the oil change kit that AMSOIL specs out for this engine and this UTV. PK1, 2.5 quarts, 1 filter, just all in one little box. PK1, right here it says what it fits. Ace 900, General 1000, Ranger 900,000, 13 plus, and the Razor 900,000. Fuel filter is an AM51356. In order to get to the oil filter, you're going to need this guy here, because the oil filter is so tiny, and then it's jammed in there. You see it? The shiny black thing? So you need this in order to grab it, because unless you're super strong, you're not going to get the filter off. So you get this. I have my light up there shining down. I took the dipstick tube out too. The dipstick was like smashing into my forearm, and that was hurting. So I took that out, and then I could get in there and unspin it with this guy. So go save yourself some irritation and go buy this. Rub some oil on the seal, and then you're going to screw this on by hand. And just make it hand tight. Do not use tools to tighten this thing on, or you're going to have a bad day trying to get it off. Dump in 2.5 quarts, 5W50. This is the ATV UTV oil. I'm sure it has some kind of special conditioners or something in it. No clue, but we need to get oil in the oil filter. So you're going to run this thing for 30 seconds, shut it off, wait 2 minutes, and check the dipstick. Wipe off the dipstick for your first dip. You jam this down in here, make sure it seats, pull it out, and you're going to look at it. And it should be close to that top hole, but not past it, which this one is. So we're good. I'm going to put it back, and then this is a lock. Click it over, and it's locked. Hopefully this video helped you guys change your own oil, save a bunch of money. And if you like the video, like, share, subscribe, comment down below, call me a dickhead, and I'll see you in the next episode. Wrench on.